Little Storyteller.
Kenji lived in a cozy little house with a bright blue roof and a garden full of colorful flowers. He loved folding paper. Not just any paper, but special paper that could bring his creations to life. His best friend was a fluffy white bunny named Kiko, who hopped around their sunny living room. One sunny morning, Mrs. Tanaka's little cat, Momo, was playing in her garden next door. Momo loved to chase a bright red ball, her favorite toy. Suddenly the red ball bounced up, up, and landed right on the very tall roof of Mrs. Tanaka's house. Momo looked up with big, sad eyes. Kenji saw Momo's sad face. "Don't worry, Momo," he said gently. "I'll help." Kenji thought hard. The roof was too high to climb. Then his eyes lit up. "Kiko," he said, "we need to make a giant paper crane." Kiko twitched his pink nose excitedly. Kenji took out a huge square of shimmering blue paper. It was as big as their play rug. Carefully, Kenji began to fold. He made a big triangle, then another. His little hands worked with focus, creasing the paper just right. Kiko hopped around, watching with wide eyes. Even Momo came over to peek, her tail swishing softly. Slowly, a large, graceful crane began to take shape. Its paper wings were wide and strong. With the final fold, the giant paper crane fluttered its wings and gently floated into the air. Kenji smiled. He carefully climbed onto the crane's back. "Hold on tight, Kiko," he said. Kiko nestled in front of him, his fluffy fur tickling Kenji's nose. Slowly the crane soared upwards, towards Mrs. Tanaka's roof. When they reached the roof, Kenji gently reached out and picked up Momo's bright red ball. "We got it," he called down to Momo, who was watching from the garden with Mrs. Tanaka. Carefully, the paper crane floated back down. Kenji gave the ball back to Momo, who purred and rubbed against his legs. Everyone was happy. Mrs. Tanaka thanked Kenji for his kindness. Kenji smiled. "It was fun," he said, as the paper crane gently folded itself back into a flat piece of blue paper. Kenji remembered something important. He said to Kiko and Momo, "You know, even though my paper animals only live for a little while, helping others makes my heart feel happy for a long time."
Please subscribe. Thank you.